Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see this Maharaja Whiteline Fortune wet grinder. See, this is the wet grinder. This is the drum. This is the actual body. You can just removable stainless steel drum with the natural stones, which you can take with one hand. Means less weight. This is of 2-liter capacity. Okay, and this comes with a polycarbonate lid where you can fix it completely. That is one good thing the user has expressed. The user is using this for almost 2 years. In this video, what we'll see is how this is grating the coconut. Means idli batter you normally see with any video or any review video or demo video, what you can say. In this video, this would be one of the practical demonstration that how it is working, this Maharaja Whiteline, and the real user experience, even with the idli or dosa batters also. Okay, this is ABS heavy plastic, good built, and this is the switch just beside the drum. You can see the black switch, and this is one of the extension. The other extension, the idli batter grinding rods I have shown you, where you can take that, and this is the grating attachment you can easily put. The body is of plastic. Okay, so after this, once the grating is completed, at the end of the video, the user is also shown with that grinding rods. Okay, so this is how you can easily take it. Very easy to install. Just put it like that, switch on the power switch, and switch on the wet grinder switch. Then it will just rotate. You need to apply pressure. See, this is of low pressure. If you apply low pressure, you can get that thin grating. And see here, this is now grinding the coconut grating mixture only. So the ultimate requirement is whether this can grind this coconut grinding material, so that the user wants to take milk out of this coconut. Okay, so this is doing a fine paste. See here, this is the final result. So during this usage, the user has expressed overall well satisfied, even with the idli batters or making chutneys, or even with the cleaning, because at the starting only the user has shown you just with the one hand they are pulling out, so easy to clean. And I'll also show you the online details of this. Currently on the Flipkart, it is showing like 4,000 rupees and change. See here, this is on the Flipkart. You can just check the Flipkart details. Maybe I can add it in the view products. You can check. If you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.